Well, hello, college life. I wonder what it's like to live away from your parents. I think it's this way, Sue. I wonder what the new room will be like. That's not much of a place. Why is it so depressing in here? Bad luck, sis. You're right, Sue. Ouch! You can get a splinter like that. The second tier isn't much better. This room is boredom territory. We can't live here. We'll fix it, Sue. Don't go anywhere. Pinkie has a great idea again. Be careful, sis. What are you up to? Let me help you. This bed needs to be finished right away. Let's get to work. Good idea, Pinkie. Stay out of the way. A couple of sheets of plywood and the bed is as good as new. Do you like it? You bet. But the first floor is mine, and it's time to make the beds. Pinkie has everything in her suitcase. This is yours, sister. Don't thank me. Voila! Bright linens will save any boring bed. It doesn't seem so bad. The room is good enough to live in. Watermelon style. That's nice. Pinkie did an awesome job. Oh no! This ceiling is no good. We'll fix it. A stapler and a piece of fabric are the best tools. Attach the delicate pink fabric to the board and then stretch it over the entire ceiling. Easy peasy. And add a little fluff. You can never have too many feathers. Looks soft. Wow, Pinkie, it's beautiful. And the decor is not a bad idea. Sue can do that too. There will be soft sides on the second floor. Draw droplets on a piece of foam rubber, and then let's cut them out. That's good. It remains to paint them blue. Done. Let's hang the droplets right here. Pinkie, look.
Wow.
That's a great idea, Sue. Okay, what's next? The first floor should be bright and cozy. Pinkie didn't bring the lights for nothing. Stick pushpins into the wall and wrap the garland around them. You don't even need nails. And let's add a little magic to the interior. Cover the wall with tulle. A magical headboard. It looks pretty. There seems to be a lack of love here. That's easy to fix. We draw hearts on a yellow foam sheet. Cut them out and attach them to the tulle in even rows. Use a hot glue gun. It looks like a princess castle. And Sue is struggling. Where should she keep her favorite guitar? Right on the wall, of course. Attach the holders and it's ready. The guitar will be very cozy here. And one more thing. Let the interior be bold and a little metallic. Hang chains on the wall and make stylish borders. Now that's more like it. How are you doing, Sue? Of course, she's on the phone again. Pinkie has a whole warehouse of stuff with her. Wait, where do I store it all? There isn't even a closet in this room. We'll have to improvise. Let's make a closet right on the wall. Attach pins and place hangers with clothes. Now they're all in perfect order. But this closet lacks doors. I have an idea. Let's make a curtain. Bend a piece of fabric and sew it. All that's left is to insert a lace. I think that's it. And now, let's try to hang the curtain. That's not bad. Pinkie's clothes are finally in order. So convenient. Time for a snack. Oh, a chocolate bar? But it's out of shape today. It's too hot in the room, and sweets don't like that. I know, we need a fridge. Let's make it out of this box. Put foil on the bottom and pieces of styrofoam on the walls. And don't forget the partition wall. Every refrigerator needs a light. And the door will be transparent. It's prettier this way. And now let's fill the fridge with food. No one can touch our treasure. These sweets just for Sue. Delicious. Can I have some, sis? No way, Pinkie. Is that what sisters do? But that's okay. Pinkie has secrets too. You can't get to them, sis. Pinkie keeps her most valuable things in a stash. Unicorn, get to work. That's better. And this plaid will still come in handy. The toy safe never fails. level turned out to be very and it's so uncomfortable to play here. Yeah, I got it. I need a holder. Let's make one out of this stand. Attach the tablet to it and continue the game. I need your help, sis. What should I wear? Stay out of my way, Pinkie. Sue with her games again. What do you say to that, sis? Hey, bring back the power. First, the outfit. All right, show me. I'm coming. What do you think? Do you like it? It's a 1, Pinkie. Oh, bad luck. Back to the fitting. Does this blouse look good on me? Look how cute it is. No, Pinkie. 1, no more. You'll like this one for sure. Pretty, isn't it? No! Sue, look closely. No, and don't even talk to me about it. Since the tablet is canceled, Sue comes up with a new pastime. We need another holder. It's a piece of cake, and now it's a mini punching bag with Pinkie's face. Take that, sis. Ouch. Sue's really mad. Better not annoy her right now. I didn't want to go out anyways. There's a beauty kingdom on the first floor, but it's better to hang your favorite mirror on the wall. Makeup would be much more convenient. And the mirror is already in place. This looks good. And now the makeup. Oh no, there's no room for it at all. It needs a shelf. Pinkie knows how to make one. You'll need 2 holders. Attach them directly to the wall and place the shelf on top. This will hold all of Pinkie's treasures. But you can never have too much decor. A bright accessory to create a special atmosphere. Wow, brilliant! I love watermelon drinks. It's not interesting. I have a better idea. Take soda in a plastic bottle and make a hole in the cap. Now, take 2 pipes with taps. Insert them into the bottles. Hot glue the seams. Use plastic ties to fix the bottles to the board. And fix the cocktail system on the edge of the bed. Impressive! The taps will be here. Who wants a refreshment? The soda is already in the cup. Are you thirsty, sis? Thanks, Pinkie. I have my own drink atmosphere here. The floor is awesome, obviously. But how do you get downstairs? Hey. Pinkie! I'm here, sis! Help me! Okay, that's a tricky one. But Pinkie will figure it out. I won't be long, Sue. I'll make you a slide. Don't worry, I can do it. Pinkie is a jack of all trades. She would do anything for her beloved sister. This is gonna be a super roller coaster. The main thing is to collect all the parts. Oof, I did it. Check it out, Sue. You're wonderful, Pinkie. Except your slide is a little itchy. Fair enough. You can hurt yourself that way. But the film will soften the ride. Help me, Sue. Okay, Pinkie. No magic, just staples and sleight of hand. Come on down, Sue. Woohoo! The slide passed the test, and it's a lot of fun. Thanks, Pinkie. Shall we go for a walk? I'd love to, sis. It's been a great day. Oh, who's that? I think he's lost, Sue. Should we take him back to our place? Make yourself comfortable, buddy. This is your new home. We'll name you Bobo. No collar, Sue. No. I won't let this slide. Oh, well. For house, Bobo. Do you want to get on the bed? It's too high for a little doggy. We have to figure something out. Baby Bobo will have his own entrance right there. Cut it out. Almost there. Now we need a ladder, made out of styrofoam, for example. The ladder is already here, and let it be beautiful. Bobo will surely like it. Come and visit, buddy. You and I are gonna be best friends. It's a good time to tell the diary your secrets. Oh, my goodness! A cockroach! It's a disaster, Sue! Help! There's a cockroach! See? Don't panic, Pinkie. We'll chase it away now. Take that! It's all right, Pinkie. Thanks, Sue. What have you got there? I have a tablet here. It's cool, isn't it? And there's a machine that serves drinks. Do you want some? Sure. That's quite a setup you've got there, sis. Do you want to come visit me? Come on. Bobo, you're here too. Hello. Pinkie, you have a beautiful place here. What's behind the curtain? I'll show you. That's my mini closet. Not bad. It also has a beauty corner to shine every day. Sue, a party is what we need. Let's begin a live stream. We moved into a new room, guys. Come and visit. See for yourself. We promise it'll be fun. Where is everybody? This is getting more and more boring. Isn't there going to be a party? But the party's about to begin. The guests are almost there. Make yourselves at home, guys. There's a musical mood on the second floor. It's gonna be loud here tonight. Sodas for everyone. Bobo is already the star of the party. And the first floor is beauty territory. Every girl needs makeup as a gift. Now, you can have a party every day. We did it, Pinkie. Of course we did, Sue. Teamwork makes the dream work.